Hi there, it's Brad with Splash Damage Tech back again with another video for all you guys and gals. It's another unboxing, a rather plain brown box with an HP logo, so let's find out what's inside. Let's see what's included. First up is the charger cable, followed by the AC adapter. Not too big. Looks like it's a 65-watt adapter with a barrel style connector. That's not really a surprise. And it's a laptop. Looks like we've got some paperwork here included with it, and that's pretty much all that's included in the box. This is a business-oriented device, so that's pretty much expected. Now I'll get it out of this plastic wrapping and we'll take a look around. Oh, it's actually quite light for a 14-inch laptop, and it looks like it's all aluminum. On the bottom, we've got some screws, a ton of regulatory info, model info, and some intake vents. On the left of the laptop, there's a lock port, some very generous exhaust vents, USB 3 charging port, and what looks like a smart card reader. On the right, there's a SIM card, a 3.5mm headset port, another USB 3 port, full-size HDMI 2, an Ethernet port, HP's dock connector, a USB 3.1 Type-C port, and the AC power input and a small status LED. The top is just a sleek HP logo, and the back has this subtle EliteBook branding. A very attractive look if you ask me. And let's open it up. It has a nice firm hinge. And let's check out this keyboard. It's a bit smaller than full size, but it is very nicely laid out. A big smooth touchpad. It even has a little pointing stick in the keyboard with buttons on top of the touchpad, which I probably won't ever use. I'm not a huge fan of those. Some subtle EliteBook branding on the bottom left, and some very unique looking speaker grills with Bang & Olufsen branding, and there's a separate power button with LED on the top left. There's also what looks like a fingerprint reader on the bottom right of the keyboard. I'll have to see if that works with Windows Hello. The screen is very rigid, almost no flexing at all. Excellent build quality here. All aluminum build. And we've got some status LEDs on the front, power, Wi-Fi, hard drive activity. And let's see if I can open it one-handed. Oh, nice. It's tough. You have to be a little gentle, but it can be opened one-handed. Overall, I'm very pleased with this laptop so far, especially considering that I only paid $400 for this thing. I can't wait to start using it. Well, that's all for this short unboxing of this new HP mt44 thin client laptop. If you found this useful, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more. My next video about this laptop, I'll be discussing the plausibility of using a thin client machine such as this running Windows 10 IoT Enterprise as a daily driver. Thanks for watching and have a great day.